Hello everyone, today we're diving into something that's a true game changer for any home. The best 5 electric dryers on the market. Let's be honest, laundry might not be the most exciting chore, but having the right dryer can make all the difference. From energy efficiency to quick drying times and innovative features, these machines are designed to save you time and effort while delivering perfectly dried clothes every single time. I'm really excited to walk you through these top picks, sharing what makes each one special and how they could fit into your lifestyle. Whether you're upgrading your old dryer or buying one for the first time, I've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect dryer for your home. Let's jump. Number 5. Euhomy Dryer, 3.5 cubic feet. Clothes dryer. The Euhomy dryer offers an internal capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, option for 26.4 pounds of wet clothes, and operates with a power rating of 1,500 watts, reaching a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It features a timer with a range of 0 to 200 minutes, suitable for drying various types of clothes for the entire family. Sensor dry mode detects air moisture, adjusting the heating duration and using cold air at the end. The ECO mode includes 270 minutes of automatic operation, with 120 minutes of heating followed by 150 minutes of cold air. Constructed with a high-quality stainless steel drum, this dryer ensures durability and efficient spinning, fully rotating clothes for even drying and wrinkle removal. The wide-angle 105-degree door opening allows easy laundry insertion and removal, while the cotton filter reduces lint buildup. Portable and compact, the Euhomy dryer includes an exhaust hose and adjustable base, ideal for homes and apartments. It can be mounted on countertops, flat floors, or brackets. Bracket not included. The ETL certification guarantees product safety and quality. Number 4. Whirlpool 7.4 cubic electric wrinkle shield dryer. Introducing the Whirlpool 7.4 cubic feet electric wrinkle shield dryer with steam. Your ultimate solution for efficient and sophisticated laundry care. This advanced dryer is designed to handle large loads with ease, saving you time and energy. With its 7.4 cubic feet capacity, it manages bulky items effortlessly. The innovative wrinkle shield option uses steam to reduce wrinkles and minimize ironing, leaving your clothes looking pristine. Advanced moisture sensing technology adjusts drying times to prevent overdrying, protecting your fabrics. The intuitive controls and LED display make selecting the perfect cycle simple, while the reversible door and interior drum light offer added convenience. The EcoBoost option ensures energy efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Experience the performance and convenience of the Whirlpool 7.4 cubic feet electric wrinkle shield dryer with steam. Elevate your laundry routine with wrinkle-free, fresh-smelling clothes every time. Choose Whirlpool because your clothes deserve the best care. Number 3. Electrolux 8CU Stackable Steam Electric Dryer. Introducing the Electrolux 8CU FT Stackable Steam Cycle Vented Electric Dryer in white, a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and style. This Energy Star certified dryer is designed to handle large loads, making it ideal for families. With its 8CU FT capacity, this dryer manages bulky items effortlessly. The innovative steam cycle refreshes clothes, reduces wrinkles, and eliminates odors, ensuring your garments look and feel their best without the need for ironing. Equipped with the LuxCare Dry system, this dryer ensures even drying every time by monitoring temperature and moisture levels. The perfect steam option gently releases wrinkles and revives fabrics. Advanced moisture sensors prevent over-drying, protecting your clothes and extending their lifespan. The intuitive LED display and responsive touch controls simplify cycle selection. The sleek, stackable design maximizes space, making it perfect for any home, while the reversible door offers installation flexibility. Additionally, the Electrolux dryer includes a 20-minute fast dry cycle for quick laundry needs. Quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your household, and the drum light illuminates the interior. Experience the ultimate in laundry care with the Electrolux 8 cubic foot stackable steam cycle vented electric dryer. Choose Electrolux for innovation, efficiency, and unparalleled fabric care, because your clothes deserve the best care every day. Number 2. LG True Steam 7.4 Electric Dryer. Introducing the LG True Steam 7.4 cubic foot stackable steam cycle vented electric dryer in black steel, a perfect blend of innovation, efficiency, and style. This Energy Star certified dryer handles large loads with ease, making laundry day a breeze. With a spacious 7.4 cubic foot capacity, it efficiently dries bulky items, ensuring your clothes, bedding, and towels come out perfectly dry. True Steam technology reduces wrinkles and odors, providing gentle care for your garments. Say goodbye to ironing and hello to to fresh clothes. LG's sensor dry system adjusts drying time based on moisture levels, preventing over-drying and extending the life of your clothes. The steam cycle refreshes clothes between washes, giving them a just laundered feel without extra effort. The sleek black steel finish adds sophistication, while the stackable design maximizes space. The intuitive control panel with dual LED displays makes cycle selection effortless, and the FlowSense duct clogging indicator ensures optimal performance. Control your dryer remotely with the ThinQ app, starting, stopping, and monitoring your laundry from anywhere. The Smart Diagnosis feature helps troubleshoot issues quickly. Upgrade your laundry routine with the LG TrueSteam 7.4 cubic foot stackable steam cycle vented electric dryer. Treat your clothes to the care they deserve and enjoy the ultimate laundry experience with LG, because every day deserves a fresh start. Number 1. Samsung 7.5 Electric Dryer FlexDry. Discover the Samsung FlexDry, an innovative dryer that combines a large capacity dryer with a delicate dryer in one unit. This allows you to dry everyday clothes and delicates simultaneously or independently, ensuring all your clothing stays in excellent condition. The unique drying rack and optimized air temperature provide gentle care for delicate items like undergarments, sweaters, and accessories, preventing shrinkage and fabric damage. The AI-powered Smart Dial learns and recommends your favorite wash cycles, sets the right dryer cycle based on your wash, and allows customization of the cycle list and language. Experience super speed drying, capable of optimally drying a full load in just 30 minutes. Paired with the super speed washer, you can complete a wash and dry cycle in under an hour. With Wi-Fi connectivity, control your dryer from your smartphone using the SmartThings app. Receive end-of-cycle alerts, remotely start or stop your dryer, and schedule cycles on your time. Compact dimensions of 27 inches wide by 46 and 15/16 inches high by 32.5 inches deep make it a perfect fit for any home, combining style and functionality for your laundry needs. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the top 5 electric dryers machine and found it helpful. Have you used any of these electric dryers machine? Or do you have a personal favorite? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. By the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll support me and stay updated on all the new content I'll be sharing. Also, are there any topics you'd like me to cover in the future? If there's a product you'd like me to review or a tech topic you're curious about, let me know in the comments below. Let's grow this channel together and create amazing content. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.